Welcome to the A Day in the Life series. Across 4 episodes, we will meet 4 very different plant stakeholders, from the plant GM to head of quality. Some of them will feel familiar to you. That's because at the Data Shack, our team has spent 25 years advising and delivering to some of the most demanding factories and plants across the world. We are experts in industrial data and building smart solutions. We have been applying data science in factories well before the recent AI hype that has taken the world by storm. We have delivered practical solutions to practical problems, not theoretical AI wonder dust. That's why we launched Sigmafi, a smart AI factory in a box, built ground up in factories and plants. Firstly, we will meet Will at Brand X. He is the plant GM and has just installed Sigmafi.
Good morning. I'm Will, and I'm the plant general manager. I started work as an engineer at Brand X and worked my way up to run group manufacturing operations, now based here in York, in England. When I arrive at work each day, I'm responsible for one thing above all else: keeping this factory performing the way the business and our customers expect. That sounds simple. It isn't. I don't manage one department or process. I manage a complex system of processes. Raw materials coming in, multiple departments, different production lines, quality targets, maintenance issues, customer commitments. And like most plants, we have invested in more data than ever before. Sensors, machines, ERP, MES, dashboards, and like many managers with modernization or transformation projects, last year we started our first small AI pilot. Oh man, that didn't go well. We started working with a large AI tech firm with an industrial data specialist team. But they never left their offices, told me only their sales team made site visits, and had never set foot in a real factory. They knew about AI, but had no clue on how factories worked. They scratched their heads when I asked them about Lean and Six Sigma methodology. They said AI knew better, to trust them. But here's the main problem in my view. More data doesn't mean more clarity, and AI needs to be applied in context with my team on the ground. Before Sigmafi, every department had its own numbers, different KPIs, different dashboards, and worst of all, different versions of the truth. Meetings became debates. Whose data is right? Which number do we trust? That's not how you run a factory. With Sigmafi, my day starts differently. As we run our operations based on Lean and Six Sigma methodologies, we wanted a smart factory intelligence platform that measured the business the way we do. We reviewed many AI tools on the marketplace. Only Sigmafi delivers AI through a Six Sigma methodology and delivers smart, straight out of the box. Now, every morning, I open one view of the factory, process performance over time, across departments, across products. I can see where things are running smoothly, and more importantly, where they aren't. Red draws my attention immediately. I don't need to dig. I don't need a data scientist. If something looks off, I can drill down in seconds, from plant level to department to product to parameter. Because Sigmafi uses the same validated data for everyone, my quality manager, my process engineers, and my department heads are all speaking the same language. That changes behavior. And most importantly, we build better products for our customers. Instead of arguing about numbers, we can now focus on action. I know from end-to-end process level whether customer specifications are being met. I know whether performance is improving or drifting. Now, not after a costly recall. And I know where to assign attention before issues escalate. Sigmafi doesn't run the factory for me. It gives me confidence that the factory is under control. I now have my hands on the performance of the various departments and the respective production lines and parameters in them, mapped to customers and our business goals, whilst keeping our entire process in good shape from a performance and maintenance standpoint. And that's what leaders like me really need.
We hope you enjoyed meeting Will at Brand X and can relate to his everyday challenges. Over the next 3 episodes, we will meet very different plant stakeholders that report up into Will and ensure that the factory operates at optimal performance every single day. If you need to speak to the team at the Data Shack, then drop us a line here. We would be happy to discuss your challenges and if we can help. Or feel free to follow this link for your free copy of the Smart Factory Buyer's Guide.